basa. Ay, ako din si Megan, batch 2010.
My name is Jem. God, no! Say batch 2010. Okay. Ako, Mohamed Yuko, batch 2004 ko. I'm really old. Sort of.
Paging Sir Paulo.
Sir Paulo, where are
Please
you?
come on stage.
Co-host.
So, kung tawagan mo na mo, please shout as loud as you can.
Alright, who's proud of their batch? Like, I want to know kung say proud sila mga batches. Okay, we're gonna do a roll call. Hopefully you guys would, scream your loudest. Abot lang ha, kung na hi. Alright, so we're gonna start. Okay, introduce Ata. Concentrate. We're on stage. Oy, how are you? Long time no see.
Long time no see.
5 years? Ano naman?
Sabi no? Okay, may gabi. And before ta mo proceed, nalang ganina wala to na padayon kang sort of siguro sa internet, no? Choppy.
Mulok.
Pero karon naadiri sa gym ang iyang mga igsuon to give us Sir Joey's message.
Alright, that's cool. So we'll call on the sister of Sir Joey.
Okay, pagpaka na to si Ate Julie.
Hello. Good evening. As you can see, si Joey right now is sort of resting because he's tired from his chemotherapy session, first chemotherapy session. But in behalf of our family, we're so grateful, and we know how much you love him. And he would like to send his thanks, love. If there's more than the word love he's sending to all of you, I could not think of a word to say thank you and how much he loves all of you. And I think you guys know it. I hope you can feel it, even if he's not here. I'm sure he's very pleased. He learned today that I think the second year was first in MTA. That's true, right? He's very happy. Very happy. Promise. He's so proud of all of you. And I also have my brother here, Joel, who came from Davao to come here to support our youngest brother Joey for his first chemotherapy. Again, from the bottom of my heart, we thank you for all your support. Most of all, I win. He was really crying when he heard his advisory class sing that song. He was crying not because he was sad, he was crying because he was happy. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. Dili ni si Joey, Mura lang twin. The bigger and taller version. But sa head, pare-parehas lang. Anyways, I really don't know where to start. But thank you to all of you who came and supported Joey. Now I know why he's spending more time there is a Corpus. Because I know how good students you are. Actually, sa tinod ka, kaselos po ko ninyo, no? Because every time I come from my work, Davao or Caraga region, every time I arrive, he arrives late in the evening. No, na siya gitrain, na siya ingana. Mo di ay. And I know Joey is an instrument sent by God. When we found out that he had his illness, It made us stronger as a family. And it made us remind how important family is. To those of you who are members siguro sa Dazers, Days with the Lord, we were told to say, I love you to the person we love. But now I felt it more important, and I realized through my brother Joey. I know he has touched most of your lives. And I asked myself, Lord, why him? This world needs more of Joey. Why him? And later on, I realized na because God thinks Joey loves God so much na hindi siya bibitaw. Now he serves an instrument sent by God. So if you'll ask me if I'm worried, I'm not worried at all. Because I know we will win. And we will win big time. I don't care if the C is capital or small, it's nothing. And again, to serve the Corpus Christi family, Mr. and Mrs. Del Ferro, Tumakoy, my classmate. Thank you very much. And I'm proud to be also, it's the third year lang po to. Okay lang. So again, thank you very much. And lastly, we'd like to thank the teachers, the co-teachers of Joey, the students who organized this activity. Now, this is just game 1 of the 7-game series, and I think we won game 1. Thank you very much.